Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Postgres connection strings in AWS Lambda for ETL step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service. Select the function you want to authorize the Postgres connection for. Scroll down to the Configuration tab. In the VPC settings, choose the VPC where your Postgres database is hosted. Select the necessary subnets that provide access to the Postgres database. Ensure that the security group associated with your Lambda function allows outbound traffic to the Postgres database. Now, go to the Environment Variables section within your Lambda function. Add new variables for your database connection string, username, and password. Next, open the AWS Secrets Manager in another tab. Create a new secret for your Postgres credentials. Store your database username and password in this secret securely. Take note of the ARN provided for the secret. Back in your Lambda function, navigate to the Permissions tab. Choose the execution role associated with your Lambda function. Click on the Add Inline Policy button. Select the JSON tab and enter a policy allowing access to the secret you created. Replace the placeholder ARN with the ARN of your secret. Save the inline policy and return to your Lambda function. Within your code, use a package like PG to manage Postgres connections. Retrieve the secret values using the AWS SDK within your Lambda function. Construct your connection string using the retrieved values. Test your function to ensure it can establish a connection to your Postgres database. Monitor the execution logs for any errors or issues. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure proper connectivity. You've now successfully authorized Postgres connection strings in AWS Lambda for ETL processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.